Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the font on your Squarespace site, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am on my Squarespace site right now, and as you can see, this is what my font looks like, and what we're going to do is we're going to change it. Now, to change it, you need to go into your styles. It's right under website, and here you can see everything right over here. Now, you can change the font by changing the theme completely. As you can see, you have a wide selection of themes, and to the left of it, you'll see what the font of that theme looks like, but I'm not going to change my entire theme. As for the actual font, you can change it if you go into fonts, click on fonts, and you can select whichever font you would like. For example, this font, or you can click here to add more options to your fonts. You can click here to look at all the font packs and select whichever you want. Sans serif, serif, and mixed. If you want, you can select whichever sort of type of font you would like. You can select the base size if you want, and you can also reset the font pack if you want, if you don't like the changes you've made. As for headings, you can select the heading style or the heading family. For example, PT serif, I'll change it like that. You can select the weight, the style, everything there, and you can pretty much just play around with these settings as much as you want and as much as your heart desires, and select your favorite combination of it. You can also assign styles to different things, as for example, site title, you can assign heading as the style. Mobile site title, you can assign heading or whichever other sort of style you would like. But once you're done with that, you just need to click save, click on exit, and once you do that, your style or your font will be saved, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.